Hello friends, today I will show you how to turn up the keyboard shortcut ADM Radeon 580. First time, you need to turn on the AMD card setting by pressing Alt R. Now I will press Alt R. Yeah, Alt R. There's many options here. You need to find the setting and then choose hotkey. Select an item and press delete. I'm done. Press R to turn up. Thank you. For the first time speaking English, like, subscribe, click like video and press the bell to wait for the latest video. I'm Khung from RCB Design. Thank you. Bye bye.